Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. And if you've wondered how people like myself make money online without creating a single product, this is how. I am Sharlrita Deloatch, and I teach women how to build profitable and peaceful digital businesses that fit their life, right? And not take over your life. And today I am going to really talk about something that changed everything for me when it comes to online and making money, and that is digital reselling. Now, digital reselling is one of those business models that once you understand it, you can't unsee it. Yeah, it's like I call it the bridge between wanting income and finally having it. I'm talking about not with all the chaos, the burnout, or even the learning curve. So I want you to go grab your coffee, get you a notebook, and let's talk about digital reselling and what this business really is about, and why it's one of the simplest, softer ways to start making money online. When I first came online to do business, it was 2014. Now, for me, I thought success meant creating everything myself, which is cool. Like, I built courses, I've coached, I published books, I helped hundreds of women, and I loved it. I really, really did. But every launch felt like I was always starting over, like every new offer meant something new, a new funnel, graphics, like everything. If you've been online for quite some time, you know exactly what I'm talking about. One day, I asked myself, what if I stopped building from scratch? Like, what if you really tapped into this master resale rights reselling thing, right? What if you already had something that was already working, is already selling? All you had to do was plug in, personalize it and start sharing it. That's how you make money. That's when I discovered this reseller model. Now, it completely shifts how I think about wealth, how I think about my work, and really how I show up online. And I want more women to really understand this, and my goal is to, especially here on my channel, is to help you have an understanding, because like I said earlier, once you have the understanding, you just can't see it. Is just like if I created my own course, right, which I've done that before. Yes, you can sell a course, and people still buy courses, people still buy ebooks, people still buy any type of digital products. People are buying, right? But not only am I giving you the opportunity to learn from me, and which is most of the time it's not from me, it's I vet, the product, but I'm also giving people the opportunity to resell it for themselves. I think that concept is so genius because it's like you just giving people the opportunity. And I want more women to see that and not see it as something that's scammy, but see it for what it is. Because as quiet as it's kept, you will see this type of model everywhere that you go. Like anytime a McDonald's pops up, it's not McDonald's that's built it. Sometimes it's owned by a franchise company. Someone bought that McDonald's franchise and decided to not start from scratch, like start their own business. It's like, I want to tap into McDonald's because I know McDonald's burgers are selling. So let me invest that amount and let me tap into that and let me build my business that way. It's the same model. You may have heard words like white labeling. It's the same thing. Let me break this down a little bit, more easily so that you can understand. So a digital reseller business is simple. It's just simply a business where you sell access to a digital product or system that's already created and you just earn the profits. Okay. You're not the designer. You're not the tech person. You are the connector. Okay. You share a product, a program, or a digital system that already works. like something people are already searching for, and you get paid every time someone buys through you. So you get your own link. Again, that might be an ebook, it might be a course, it might be a guide, or even entire business system. The company provides the assets, the product, the website, the checkout page, the support, and you focus on marketing and sharing. So it's very low risk because you're not creating or managing any type of inventory. It's low tech because the system is already built, and it's high value because now you're earning commissions or direct sales on something that solves real problems for real people. It's not MLM. Okay. It's not drop shipping. It's digital ownership. And that's why I call it soft wealth. Now let's go a little deeper because I want you to understand why this works so well, especially for women like us who are, we're ready for the peaceful and profits at the same time. And these are the three pillars, give you three pillars that make a reseller model work. First pillar is the product. So the product has to solve a real problem. You're not just selling files, you're selling freedom tools, is what I call them. Like people pay for clarity, simplicity, and shortcuts. So when you promote a done for you business or a digital guide that helps someone start faster, that's value. So the second pillar is the system. Okay. The system is what keeps things running while you live life. Okay. That means automated sales pages, pre-built funnels, and simple follow-up emails that keep the income flowing even when you're offline. And the third pillar is the skill. Okay. This is where your voice comes in. Like you don't need to be an expert. No, you don't have to do that. You just need to be honest. Share what you're learning, document your process, and connect with your people who want to be in the same place or find the same peace that you found. Okay. When you do that consistently, you stop chasing sales. Okay. And you just start attracting them. Okay. And I like that. How about you? Do you like that? So if you're like sitting there, you're thinking, okay, I'm not tech savvy. I've tried so many things before. Trust me, when I tell you I get it, I get it. That's why I love this model. It's built for real women in real life, not just full-time influencers or 20-something-year-old women with the ring lights. No, it's for us, especially us 40 plus women who want something, we want to make our money, right? There was a moment that I realized I didn't have to prove anything anymore, especially on this online space. Like I didn't have to prove that I could outwork everyone, that I didn't have to prove that I could do everything alone. I just had to let what was already working not only work on me, but work for me. And once I did, everything got lighter. Like my days got quieter. My income, it finally like started to match the effort I was willing to give. So this is what I mean when I say soft life business. It's not lazy, okay? We don't do lazy because we do the work. It's just all about alignment, okay? And you get to earn without being all over the place. You get to grow without losing yourself. You get to build wealth without giving up the things that you like to do, okay? Like I truly want more women to experience this freedom that I have gotten the chance to experience. Not just the money, but the woman that I'm becoming, like the softer version of me, like what I teach here on my channel. So if this conversation like stirs something in you and you're like curious, like you're ready to learn the step-by-step, how to get your reseller business and get it working, start with the Soft Life Reseller Blueprint, okay? That's where I'll walk you through everything, how to set up your digital business, how to find in-demand products, how to price, okay, for profit, and how to market in a calm and simple way. Okay. You'll also receive with this guide full resale license so you can start earning out right away. That means you can take this guide and this can be your first digital product. Okay. So again, I want to make sure that I'm helping more women, not only, um, make money online, but I want to help you to do it in a softer way. And this guide is going to definitely be your direct guide to help you to get started. Please know you do not have to do any of this by yourself. Like, you don't have to prove anything anymore. All it does for you, all you would need to do is just make a decision like I did and get committed to learning, get committed to growing, get committed to becoming the best version of yourself, because that's how you're going to make money. I know a lot of people teach the tactics and all those great things, and I teach a few of that here on YouTube as well. But at the end of the day, if you truly want to make money online, yes, I want you to get the guide, but I'm even in the guide, I'm talking about the woman that you become, like the version of yourself that is the woman that has those $1,000 days, right? The woman that I was making, $1,000 a month is different. It's going to be different from the woman that makes $20,000 a month. You see what I mean? So at the end of the day, it's still all about who you are becoming. All right. I want to give you the resources to get you started faster to making money online, while we are becoming the soft life woman, the women that we want to be. All right. So grab that guide. I also, there'll be an invitation for you to even join my Telegram community. I think I have the link below in the description as well. The Soft Life Circle. That's my corner of the internet that I'm curating for women who crave community. Okay. So once you grab that guide, you'll get access to the community as well. Okay. So I look forward to teaching more here about this on my channel. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to comment below. And if you are a little shy, my email is below too. Feel free to email me, okay? I won't bite. But I'll be hanging out inside the Telegram community. That's where you can message me at, okay? So I look forward to connecting with you. Thank you so very much for watching this video. Please like it and subscribe to the YouTube channel and hit that notification bell so when I upload a new video, you'll be the first to know. There's also a hype button to hype your girl up. I think that helps us to get the video out to more soft life girlies, and I would love for her to, see this video. So until the next time, I'll see you in the next video, girl. All right. Bye.